is when something happens in the Chicago public schools that I find objectionable, I call the University of Chicago Laboratory Schools, which is a private school, but it's the school where Barack Obama sent his kids. It's the school where the mayor of Chicago sends his kids. My kids went there, and I call over there and I see what they do. And I want to give you just one example. This spring, the Chicago Public Schools banned the graphic novel Persepolis from the schools. Do you know the novel Persepolis?
Yeah.
Okay. They banned it in Chicago, and the reason they banned it is some parent complained because in one of the frames, there's a picture of a little boy peeing in the street, and you can see his penis. So, so they banned the book, right?
Wow.
So I called the lab school, and I got the library, and I said, do you have Persepolis in your library? They said, we have 9 copies, 2 in the original French. They have 2 copies of the movie, and all the 7th graders are required to read it. So here you see a great contrast. The kids who are kids of privilege get real art and real literature and real learning, and the kids who are the children of the masses over there, they get 1 more hour of drill and skill. That's an abomination, that's a crime, and that's what I'm spending a lot of my time fighting.